guys up to?
Baking.
Baking. What are you making today?
Biscuits. 7 batches so far.
How many batches? 7 batches. And you're aiming for
Over 23.
over 23 today. We're trying to beat the record.
Grand band in the land. Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band and spread the welcome mat for you.
Hello, how are you today? What are you making today? Muffins. Awesome.
Doesn't matter. Grab a chair and fill your platter and dig, dig, dig right in. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, hired a band. Goodness sake, if I knew you were coming, I'd have baked.
What are you doing today?
We are baking.
Woohoo! They look pretty good.
I enjoy helping out in any way I can. Time.
Monique, why do you come volunteer in the kitchen?
I have fun and get to help people and
The best part of all.